American business. Now we're heading over to the markets, guys. Last day of BCI trading. BCI trading is the outer islands selling their crafts. So we are going to make time today. Just go all the way. Oh, so nice. Morning. But I like these. I'm gonna get one of these. It's spicy. Wow. Okay, let's go look for our freezer. Light Not everything's open yet. It's quite early that we're here, so you'll see a lot of stores empty. It's because the vendors haven't arrived yet. They're genuine pearls, and I'm received from Maniki. So $30 each. And then when you go back to Australia, you can like turn it into a necklace. Yeah. Otherwise, they've got all these ones too. Yeah. Yeah. So beautiful. Yeah. From our own profile, my wife and I so nice. How much? $10. $10.
Because you have a pearl inside. People told me you have the same. No, you don't have a pearl inside at the shop.
Yeah. Only Tahiti. Yeah.
Only Tahiti.
Yeah, only Tahiti.
You come from New Zealand?
No, we're from Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Aussie.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, kia ora na whapungi mania.
We're here at KOKA Lagoon.
KOKA Lagoon Cruises. So this is our second cruise of our trip. And we're just going to check in. I look crazy at the moment because it's so early. And we haven't had breakfast either, so yeah. It's gonna be a fun day.
Hopefully we don't get hangry, you know?
Yeah. Did you fix your memory card?
Yeah, that's why it's...
Oh, so it's a new one. The battery though.
I
Gone down one, but okay.
I have.
Alright. But yeah, we'll take you along with us. We're just gonna go sign in. Okay. Type what?
Sorry.
Look at that. It looks rough. It looks a bit rough today, but we're still gonna go. Oh, Thomas is over there.
She got Huru.
It's what? It's Cook Island.
What's Cook Island? You're so confusing the poor girl.
Guys, this is a Tahitian song that I know.
I asked him if he's looking forward to say a prayer. Thank you. Good? What enough? Awesome.
Ooh.
Are you ready to have a great time today? Everyone clap your hands! Clap your hands!
showing you guys the difference between our plan here at the Buchanans. Ours here at the Buchanans is much bigger. Hopefully the sun comes out for you guys today. Gives you guys a chance to work on your suntan. I think only 2 of you is needed. But the rest of us are fine. The rest of us are fine. Family, we're coming into our island. We're gonna take it up another notch. We're gonna show this boat we can party. I need everyone to stand up. Everyone stand up and clap your hands to the beat. Clap your hands. Alright, I need everyone to sing along. Okay, go. Go.
so late. You do it.
No, you're sad.
I know he's shy. He made him shy.
I'll show them.
Now arrived at the island. We're being entertained. I'm gonna go record the food. I'll show you guys when the food is. The salad. We got curry coco or potato salad. Bread. Fruit. And then I'm not sure.
All right, and name for the band, Mary and Nicole.
Drinks. And then we got the people here that are... I want to go
All
back.
right, everyone, lunchtime. Everyone say lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
We're waiting all the smoker. Stop smoking. Come on this side. Lunchtime. Everybody can sit down first, and we're gonna say a prayer and a bit more with things. Thank you.
Hi guys. The girls were too slow. I was probably the first to the line. This is what the plate looks like. I'm gonna eat. Grace has already been done, so I'm gonna eat. So the curry and pawpaw.
It is lunchtime, men, warriors, join the line. All the men, all the warriors, join the line. It's
So
lunchtime.
in our
Help yourself to the
customs, kids eat first, then the ladies and the men.
Help yourself.
So yeah. Hi banana.
Hi everyone. First bite, Pepsi.
No, your second bite.
Not my second bite, not my third bite. This is my first bite, okay? Okay. Hi guys. First bite. Okay. Barbecue's on. Barbecue is on. I like the lighting of that one better. Curry coco. The sausage.
First bite.
She took my segment.
Second bite.
They will also be dancing for you guys today, ladies and gentlemen. I'll give it over to my band. My band will show you how to do it. Here we go. Hands on our hips. Bend down knees. Swing our hips. Oh wow. Now everyone, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Yeah. Ready out there, everybody. Māoris on board today? Kiwis and Māoris say hoi! Do we have any real Kiwis and real Māoris? Where are we all from today?
Samoa.
Samoa and Tonga. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Australia since Australia has the majority on board today. Do we have any New Zealanders? Alright. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to New Zealand now because it's the closest to us. After that, we'll swim our way to Australia. And if we have enough petrol left, we'll visit Samoa and the kingdom of Rarotonga. Alright, Kiwis and Māoris, sing along if you know the song. Not good either. Now, Australia! Aussie, Aussie, Aussie!
Oi, oi, oi!
Sing along if you know the song, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody clap.
Everybody sing. La 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 la.
Alright, we're gonna call up Samoa. Where's Samoa?
Yeah!
Anyway, family,
Wait, I'll call you back, I'll call you back.
Samoa. This is how they dance. Lima kita ope. Lima kita ope. Ang ope. Family, this is how they dance. Everyone stand up. Everyone face this way. And everyone follow me to my corner tree. Thank you. Everyone say hi!
Hi!
Now, what you guys didn't know, these warriors are going to be showing you guys how to scare each other. Face each other. Face each other. Okay, warrior, I want you to go to the warrior's face. Here's the warrior. Wow! Okay, your turn. Go to his face. Close up. Your turn. Do you guys want to see them climb? Yeah. Are you sure?
Yes!
Warrior, when you're ready, climb the tree. Warrior, you know what you're doing? Our family, what we do here with our maka, you see it like a big circle right here. You see it?
Yep.
What we do after that family, we just do like a figure eight. You see it?
Yep.
After that family, you put it in between our legs just like this. Now when you're ready to climb the tree, jump straight up. And you go straight to the top. Okay, warrior, here you go. Climb the tree. When you're ready, climb the tree. Everyone, make some noise! Keep going, warrior. Round of applause for this warrior.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Warrior.
Yeah!
There you go. Make some round of applause. Now when I fall from the tree, you stop clapping, eh? Okay, family, make some noise! Everyone stop clapping, make some noise!
Wow!
Another one I fall, everyone say, yeah, yeah!
Yeah, yeah!
Wait!
Yeah, yeah! Swing.
Everyone say, row, row!
No, no.
In English.
Right.
Now, family, in English is how kind of eh?
You're fired.
Wow.
Wow.
Now, family, I'll be showing you guys how to plant the row, eh? Hands up who know how to plant. Here. In Rarotonga. Anyone? All the ladies should know how to plant it here. Oh, yeah. Where you guys from?
She's from Tonga.
From Australia.
You're from Tonga?
Yeah.
Tonga's the best platter. Like
Are you our best player?
the best. Yes.
Wow. Now I want this young lady over here come here.
Oh, go ahead! Go ahead! Go turn! Go! Woo! See, that's what happens.
What I'm doing, eh? This is how we plant our row here in Rarotonga. Now, Tonga. What do you guys call this in Tonga? We are all waiting for an answer. Are you sure you're from Tonga? Planted. Are you sure? Yeah. Everyone say hello to Roro. One more time. What's your name? Yeah. Can everyone say here?
Yeah.
Now she's going to finish up this Roro for you guys. Yes, she told me she's done this before. Exactly like that. Take your time. This lady is really good at this.
Yay.
You tell everyone say wow.
Say wow.
Round of applause for this young lady. Lady, come with your camera. Over here. Oh, it's the right way.
Turn it around.
Drink. Say wow.
Wow.
Make some noise!
Meanwhile, this girl has been wanting this. That's for this part.
Grab the whole these past couple of days. You guys been there? What team are you guys supporting?
Okay.
Okay. Security! Okay, this is the house. Yes, family, we got our okay family over here. Do we have anyone else? No? Okay. We're gonna have a good conversation after this. You are on the wrong boat. If you are on Tupava, you are on the right boat. Yes, family, what we do here is keep scraping the coconut. Now, family, whenever we have a competition here in Pugalis, we always do.
Go all the way. Hey!
Round of applause for this.
Yay!
Team, this table, that table, this table, this table. Jingle bell, really high. Jingle bell.
Lina. Louder, Lina. I can't hear Lina.
Stop. I want that table, this table, this table, this table.
Oh, my God, it is to ride in the windows of this light. Hey!
Now I want this table,
I
that
heard you
table.
sing that, huh?
That young lady over there.
Place to go. I hope you understand the love that all
Wow. On the beach, eh? Now what we do, family, we open up our sarong tie just like this, eh? What we do, we grab the two corners of the sarong tie. You guys see it? You guys see the two corners? What we do, family, we bring it in together just like this, eh? Tie your little knot over here. Ladies, pay attention to this one. Young lady, pay attention to this one. After that, half the sarong tie just like this. Tuck it in just like that, family. Tie another knot right over here, eh? Just like this, eh? You guys see it? What we do, young lady? Yes. Now, family, what we do after this, we grab this side of the sarong tie straight over here. Now, family, you guys can use, then over here, you guys can use anything to tie over here, eh? Now, whenever you see your husband walking on the beach, just like the like this one side, onto the hips, bend the knees just a little bit, and then go left, right, to right. Rarotonga! Are you ready?
Yeah, Charlie!
Okay, family. For those that's leaving the country tonight, tomorrow, next week, safe travels to where you guys come from, eh? When you guys go back to where you guys come from, let your family know how we did here on KOKA LAGOON Cruises. Whenever they think about coming here, we'll look after them just like how we look after you guys, right?
Look how blue it is. Oh, the wow, Lina. Oh, look, she can do a duck walk under the water.
Yeah, we've been practicing here.
You guys ready?
You guys want on the water?
I know.
Wait, can you take my picture?
Yeah, I can. Okay. Oh, right, guys. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Guys, just want to see me duck walk? I can do it. I don't in charity. That's so cool. It's not deep. We can stand up. Guys. Charity, you got the push in your leg. The push? Stop trying to steal Emma's. Yeah, guys, we're here at the KOKA Lagoon. Having nice swims. Having nice swims over here. Now it's getting cold, but it's worth it. Emma's probably already in. There's a Jet 2 holiday. Emma, stay there. Can everybody stay? President. You're not going to Jet 2. And here I am looking for my bag. It's the wrong bag.
Wow. Ladies, not to the gates like this.
Vibes of that show. Yeah. I was like, where's my money? You know, like.
It's so funny though. So good.
They're telling you to jump off the coconut.
That was the funniest part. Because he looked straight down at you.
I think they're just anyway. Then he started picking on it. Yeah. No, he did.
Because I think he wasn't expecting someone to see him. Yeah, I got everything on camera. And then you
Getting on the wrong boat.
It's just more like walking on like. And then she looks at me.
Emma, Can I get up?
This is on a roll, man.
Oh,
This whole
man.
time. Your tattoos keep getting better. The fight's between her and Sully now. Sully's having Gen 2 with not booking her thing.
And then the guy's like, nothing beats a Gen 2. Hey, we're coming to join you. We were the cruise, eh, guys? Hey, get out, you sausage.
Oh my gosh, I've never laughed so hard in my life. Oh, I'm crying. Yeah, KOKA Cruise was 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
Yeah, the negative is the snorkeling spot.
And they snorkeling, there was like no fish.
There was nothing, yeah.
Wow.
We saw nothing. Oh, wait, actually, we saw like
That's a
small
clams,
fish.
the paua.
And then clams.
That's all power. I was gonna touch
They
it.
had a whole heap of cages.
Yeah, they have cute cages that you stand on. No, it's good. It's warmer out of the water.
Yeah.
Okay. Ka kite, ako ne, ka kite, ako ne.
Kakite.
So pretty, so pretty. Girls are so pretty. And on her face. Guys, okay, now there's ikamata here too. What on earth?
Yes. So I always come here for this.
Locally grown taro. Guys, your outfits of the day. Where are you sponsored? Okay, go.
So I'm sponsored by Shein. All of it. Series, H&M. Bracelet Pandora by my friend Debbie and Kylie. That's all. Makeup by me. Yeah, same Shein.
Ooh, pretty.
Love a good shoe haul. Shane shoes. My shoes are from Payless or Spinless, whatever you call them. Apple Watch. Love his rings. Glister jewelry. And yeah, love his as well. What?
Your nails from.
Oh, and my nails professional.
I don't know where this is from. My mum. And my top's from Shein. My flowers from the market. And my shoes are probably from Kmart. They're sandals.
Yeah. Turn. My say is from Tahiti. And this dress is from Kmart. Yay! Oh, and my bag, and hers, is from Benina Boutique. So, shout out to Benina. Yeah! I might get that one. Ooh, it's nice and rare. That's my besties.
Okay, they redeemed themselves.
Oh, yay! How about you, Sully? Is it nice? Yeah, it's alright. She has high standards. Oh, and her first bite. It's good? Okay. It's tracking my face, that's why. And medium rare steak.
Ooh, steak's cooked to perfection.